Obia woman. Yes, I'm the Obia woman. Do you know what an Obia woman is? I'm the Obia woman from beneath the sea. To get to Satan, you got to pass through me. Cause I know the angels and them, name by name. I can cast it on